How to record shows on Firestick. I'm going to show you the easiest way on how to record on your Firestick. Firestick doesn't have a built-in DVR, but you can record shows using streaming services with cloud DVR. Those are like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus, Live TV, or Sling TV. On YouTube TV, find the show you want to record, click on it, and select Add to Library. This will save all new episodes automatically. For Hulu Plus Live, go to the show, click My Stuff, and it will record upcoming shows. On Sling TV, select a show, press record, and choose whether to record a single episode or all future episodes. To watch your recordings, open the DVR or library section in your streaming app and select the recorded show. And that's it. Firestick itself cannot record, but cloud DVR from streaming services can make it easy for us.